Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're cooking kuku ya kienyeji and this is it boiling. I forgot to show you when it was in the pack. So this is it boiling and I'm still having my ingredients. Then here we have rosemary, we have black pepper. Yeah, we have black pepper. We have hoho, we have nyanya tomatoes, we have garlic, we have onions, and we have salt, then we have ginger. So that is all I'm going to use for today's meal. So after sometimes after a few minutes I had chopped them all. So yay, I chopped them. Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This is onions, hoho, nyanya, dhania, black pepper and ginger. So at this time I decided to, after a few minutes I checked for if my nini had boiled, my kuku had boiled. So yes, it was boiling so well. This was like after 20 minutes. Yeah, so I checked it and it was boiling well, so I decided to add the rosemary. This is rosemary, yes, to add the rosemary and this is me adding the rosemary and the garlic for it to boil with it. Yeah, where's the garlic, mama? And the garlic, that's the garlic. So I added the garlic for it to boil the vanish. So yeah, and I stirred a little bit, making sure the rosemary is spread all over and the garlic too. Okay, so after that I added salt. Yeah, that is salt. After that I added salt for it to boil with it. Yeah, this is my way of cooking anyways, so but it was sweet. Yeah, that's me smiling. I had to do that because I don't think I'm seeing anywhere. So after 20 minutes I came to check. It was okay, maji ilikuwa inaisha. So yeah, I checked, nikapata maji iko kidogo. It has boiled but ilikuwa imeiva. That was like 30 minutes later. So remember in kuku ya kienyeji. After like another 5 minutes I came to check because now the water was getting over and I decided now to start kuweka my ingredients. So I started with the onions. Those are the onions. So niliweka onions and nikakoroga. I was stirring. Oh, not stirring. Kwa nini gari? I was stirring for some time to make it isikuko ndani, alafu nikafunika for like 5 minutes. Then I came back, nikaongeza that is hoho and nyanya, tomatoes then hoho, nikaziweka pamoja. Yes, so yeah, this is me cooking. Nikaziweka pamoja and kakoroga kiasi. Alafu nikakuja kuangalia like 5 minutes. This is how it looked. Nyanya zikuwa zimeiva and I love my nyanya zikuwa zimeiva kabisa. So I just stirred a little bit, then nikafunika for some time. Then I nikafunika for like another 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes. Yeah, this is me checking. So nikakuja nikapata nyanya zimeiva, so nikaweka my ginger. So here my food is already So here food yangu imeiva, so nikaweka ginger kidogo tu and nikaweka black pepper. Actually forgot to buy the other pepper ile ingine, but sasa I had this, so yeah, did this one. Alafu oil, yes. Niliweka kidogo sana, hii kuku ilikuwa na mafuta mingi, so I stirred a little bit, kidogo ndio the whatever the ingredients, the spices, yeah, that's the right word. The spices zishikane. So yeah, this is how it looks now after like 5 minutes. Yes, this is how it looks. Nikakuja nikaweka dania. This is the last thing I did. So nikaweka dania, nikai-spread vizuri. Excuse me. Nikai-spread vizuri, nikafunika for 2 minutes. Then I switched off the gas. Then this is how my food was. In steam polini, but it will still focus. So yeah, this is how my food looks. Then nikakoroga dania ishikane na food, everything to be good. Hey, bado na meza mate. Yeah, this is how my food looked after a few minutes. So please subscribe for more recipes, baking. Yeah, as we are starting here, nilikuwa nasikia kuonja but I didn't. Yeah, this is it. So I was preparing rice. I was going to have it with rice, that is oil, that is salt. After like that 20 minutes, this is it. This is the rice, and voila, that's my food. Bye guys, subscribe.